What's up, guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment. Now let's jump right on in and start talking about the grease points on this John Deere 3038E. Now, more often than not, these machines are going to come with a loader attached to them. So let's go ahead and talk about where the grease points are on your front end loader. On these front end loaders and on any front end loader, at any pivot point, you are generally going to have a grease point. So on the 300E specifically, you are going to have 6 grease points on each side. You're going to have one here towards the operator station of the machine. Then we're going to have 2 here at the mid knuckle. Then we're going to have 2 down where the bucket connects to the loader itself. Then we're going to have those same 6 on the other side. So 12 on the loader altogether that we need to make sure that we're taking care of. So once we get past the loader, you really only have 2 main grease points, and they're going to be here at the front axle, accessible over here on the right hand side, and these are going to be at the trunnion, which is the pivot point that gives the axle a little bit of give to help with that ride quality. So over here on the right hand side, we're going to look at our front axle. Then on the front side of that, we are going to see a grease point right here, and on the back side we will see one right over here. One thing that may trip you up if you're going to look at your machine is sometimes these will have little rubber covers over the top of them. So if you're not seeing these grease points but you're seeing a little black cover, you may want to try to pull that off because there should be a grease point right behind there. Make sure this doesn't trip you up, and make sure that you are taking care of greasing that front axle pivot point. So our last grease point on this machine is going to be here at the 3-point hitch at this adjustable link right here, and then that is going to sum up what has to be greased on this machine and where all of those grease points are. Now, if you are wondering about what type of grease you should use, really, in all honesty, as long as you are using some type of grease to take care of these points, you should be in good shape. But what is suggested is going to be the John Deere SD polyurea or the John Deere HD lithium complex grease. And if you want to learn a little bit more about these greases or any of the grease guns that John Deere offers, I'm going to drop a link to a couple of videos down in the description below so that you can check those out. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, if you're looking for more videos like this, or videos just over these pieces of equipment in general, especially anything John Deere, make sure to check out the rest of the channel. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.